Hello, today I will show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on Nokia 5.3. First, go into Settings. Here, at the very bottom, you will see Google tab. Tap on it. Go down and into Settings for Google Apps. Search Assistant and Voice. Proceed into the Google Assistant tab. And finally tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now, you will, after tapping turn on and toggling Hey Google, you will be prompted to agree and answer a few things when setting it up for the first time. Simply proceed and that's it. Now Hey Google is finally turned on your Nokia 5.3. Thanks for watching and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.